Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and St. Patrick's Day is coming quick. I have two announcements to make. I hope you'll stay tuned to hear them. I think you'll be interested in both. I also have an idea for a $1 outfit for a Middie Blythe with shoes. If you have a Dollar General near you, you could buy a little doll that has the little green for St. Patrick's Day outfit and the little pink shoes. I'm going to take a permanent marker to the shoes and see what happens there, but I didn't want to take a chance before I bought another set knowing they would fit. This is how I did the shoes. I bought a couple dolls for $1. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. I already cut half of her free. And I got this one at Dollar General. And what I'm looking for is to see if the clothing and the shoes fit this doll, my Middie Blythe. I know the shoes don't fit right because I already tried those on. But what I'm wondering is if we could take the heat gun, which you have to be extremely careful with, or you can really get burned, and melt these a little bit. Well, I can't get this doll out now. There we go. Isn't she cute? I've done a lot of crafts with these little $1 dolls. But we're going to see if the clothes and the shoes fit. No, this dress will not, I can already tell, fit my Middie, but just to make it so, let's see if we could make her a little St. Patrick's Day parade top. You know what? I'll be darned. Look at that. That would be cute for a St. Patrick's Day. I'll be darned. These bodies are tiny. All right, let's see about the shoes. And first we're going to try them on. Did I want pink? No, not really, but pink shoes are better than no shoes. Now, when I put these on, they are the right length, kind of, but they're wide. So what we want to do, or what I'm thinking I'm going to try, is heating that up, getting it on her foot so that it's still warm, so that it fits better over the heel and takes in some of the wideness to the shoe. Will it work? Well, let's see. Quite honestly, I don't know. If you work with a heat gun, put on leather gloves, seriously. In fact, I don't like that exposed, but it is what it is. So, turn on the heat gun, and it blows stuff away. All right, yep, that's warm on my finger, I'll tell you for a fact. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off and get this on her foot like Cinderella as fast as I can. Ooh, if the stepsisters could have had a heat gun. Glass gun, look at that. Okay, that is a possibility. That does go up over the heel now. And a pink shoe is better than no shoe. All right, let's see the other girl's shoes. Now they were, let's save that one back so I know to heat the other one up. Oh no, not those. This shoe on her foot, oh, you know what? That's just too big. We are not going to go with that. But what about, I was thinking, I wasn't going to throw these dolls away if the shoes and clothes fit my Middie Blythe. What I was going to do was use these for my long distance crafters and make mermaids. But the shoes don't fit. However, no, that's too big too. What I was going to say is you could take this dress, cut it apart, and make a pattern. Actually, you could, but there is a lot of double over. Tiny dolls. Anyway, we got one pair of shoes. All right, I thought the video was over, and Darren said, you know, if you put that on the end of a skewer, So here we are with my little gift from the Chinese restaurant, and we're going to try this. It only takes a second, and then I can get it off quicker and onto the foot. And look at that. Now she has a little pair of pink shoes for $1. And I took the little doll's little dress and shoes, and they fit in my Middie. And what I'll do with the little doll is we will make a mermaid out of that with the beginner crafters. Since the little shoes worked out, I found another pair. I had another one of these dolls. I'm going to go buy some of these because not only do the shoes fit, I think the dress is pretty doggone cute too. Now, shows a little bit in the back, so it really should be a top. You could put pants or shorts on under that, or another skirt. But from the front, for display, if you didn't have anything else, since the dolls come nude, for $1 you got shoes and a dress. I took this pair, I took this pair and made them to fit with my gun. Notice I'm doing it without my gloves. Don't do that. Stuff going everywhere, heating up my doll. I'm a dangerous person. Adults only. And I say that because I don't want some kid getting hurt because I do things funny. And then you just put that on the foot and it reshapes the fit, like I said before. And then what I did, leave that sit there till it dries a little bit. And then what I did is I took permanent marker. Actually, I used a Sharpie. I didn't want to use the cheap ones because I didn't want it to bleed off onto the foot. Not saying it wouldn't, but I'm telling myself it won't. And I put it on the stick. I put on a plastic glove because I'm a mess and permanent marker. And then I went over that. Now I'm going to let that dry completely, and I'm going to put a second coat on. And she has some little black shoes. Now because I have two Middie Blythes, and they now have 5 pairs of shoes between them. I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought these little containers. I keep my Blythe clothes in a storage tub, one of the half tubs. And then I have like Tupperware containers, but they're lunch meat containers is what I use. And I've got that marked Middie Blythe, and then I put their clothes in that to keep them together and to keep them together within. Anyway, I bought these little containers to put Blythe shoes in and Middie Blythe shoes in within the container so that not only they stay together, but they won't get knocked out, caught in an outfit when you know how you dig through looking for something. That way they won't get knocked out without you seeing them and lose a shoe. The first announcement is Darren and I are going to host a virtual St. Patrick's Day parade. And what we will need you to do, or what we would like for you to do, is to film about 20 seconds of your dolls dressed for St. Patrick's Day, either watching a parade, like on the sidewalk, you know, dressed for the parade, or your dolls at the parade as an entry, or your dolls in the parade. But what we'd like for you to do is give that 20 seconds motion. Like if you're having your Barbies in a car, put a fish line on that and pull your car forward. Give the parade motion. What we don't want you to do is add your own name inside your video. Darren will take care of that so that each and every clip looks the same. Don't put your name in it. Don't put your Instagram address or your YouTube address, nothing. Just send it to Darren and he will take care of that. And then we will also have a link to your channel when we do the parade down in our description so everybody can go to your channel and see what else you offer. The other announcement is this is a hidden giveaway, and we're going to give away one of these cute little stands that a Middie Blythe or other small doll can stand in. The hidden giveaways are for our subscribers, so if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, please hit the subscription button and subscribe. And the way to enter is by leaving a like and a comment on this video. We'll be drawing our winners soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave that like, comment, and subscribe.